Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the 50 automation testing question related to Selenium. In the first video, in this part I'm going to give you 10 questions and in the later part I'm going to give you the other 40 questions. So the first question is, what is automation testing? Automation testing or test automation is a process of automating the manual process to test the application. Means let us suppose that you have some 100 test cases. Let us suppose you have a login window and in that you have username and password and you have one login. So what the manual tester will do, they will give the username and password and they will do login one by one 100 times. Automating that particular test scenarios using some test script is automation testing. So what are the benefits of automation testing? You can improve the accuracy. Next is the number of test cases. Means let us suppose you have 100 test cases and if you are doing it manually, it is a boring task. So you can automate all those repeated test cases. It enables parallel execution and aids in testing a large test matrix. It also saves times and money. So why should we use Selenium? The first question is, it is open source, have a large user base and helping communities, have great platform compatibility, support distributed testing, supports multiple browser, supports multiple programming language like Java, Python, Ruby and etc. Now what is Selenium and what are the different components in Selenium? Selenium is one of the most popular automation testing tool. Actually, Selenium is an automation testing tool that is used to automate web browser. Selenium is designed in a way to support and encourage automated testing of functional aspects of web browser and platform application and a wide range of browser and platform. Due to its existence in the open source community, it has become one of the most accepted tools among the testing professionals. Selenium is not just a tool, but it is a utility, rather a package of several testing tools. So better it is called as a suite. There are four different parts in Selenium. Now first one is Selenium ID. It is a record and playback tool. Next is Selenium RC. It is used to write the test script and run it on server. Next is Selenium WebDriver. It is a different tool as compared to the above two. It directly communicates with the WebDriver and uses its native compatibility to automate. Next is Selenium Grid. It is used to contribute our test execution. No, sorry, it is used to distribute our test execution on multiple platforms and environment concurrently. What are the testing types that can be supported by Selenium? Next question. The answer is functional testing and regression testing. What are the next question? What are the limitations of Selenium? The first and foremost limitation of Selenium is that it cannot be used for mobile or Windows based application. And the next is, user is supposed to have the programming knowledge, then only he can write the test script. In case of Selenium ID, we don't have any need of programming language, but for that thing, for the other thing like Selenium RC and WebDriver, you have to. The next is the captcha and barcode reader cannot be tested using Selenium, and there is no ready vendor support through which the user can find helping communities, as it is an open source tool. Now, what next question? What is Selenium? It is a language which is used to write test script in Selenium ID. Next is, when shall I use Selenium ID? If you want to learn Selenium from the scratch, from the beginning, then first of all you should learn Selenium ID. Then only you switch to Selenium RC or Selenium WebDriver. What are the different types of locator in Selenium? First of all, what is locator? Locator can be termed as an address that identifies web element uniquely within the web page. There are different types of locators like ID, class name, name, tag name, and so many different etc. Now, what is the difference between, next question, what is the difference between asserts and verify command? Actually, both assert and verify check whether the given condition is true or false. But with assert, let us suppose you are asserting that a particular element is present on a web page or not, and if you are asserting it to true, and let us suppose the answer of the parameter which inside the assert is false, so the next step, whatever step is after to that assert statement, it won't get executed. But what in case of verify? whether that particular condition is asserted correctly or not. The next step will get executed. This is the main difference between assert and verify. So thank you. These are the 10 basic questions that every Selenium automation tester should know. Keep following us. We'll update more videos regarding what are Selenium and what are the different aspects of Selenium and what is Java, how you can use Java in Selenium. Thanks.